In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about juniper bonsai care season by season, so you can keep your tree healthy and growing strong. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our bonsai care tips and tutorials. Here's a question to kick things off. Do you think juniper bonsai trees should be kept indoors or outdoors? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll reveal the answer in just a moment. Section 1. Understanding juniper bonsai needs. First, let's cover the basics. Junipers are outdoor trees. They need plenty of sunlight, fresh air, and seasonal changes to stay healthy. Did you guess outdoors? If so, you're absolutely right. Unlike tropical bonsai, junipers don't thrive indoors for long periods. Now let's break things down by season, so you know exactly what your juniper needs throughout the year. Section 2. Spring care tips. Spring is a time of growth. Your juniper will wake up from its winter dormancy and start pushing out fresh foliage. Here's what to do. Water regularly, keeping the soil moist but not soggy. Start fertilizing with a balanced bonsai fertilizer to support growth. If needed, repot your tree now while it's actively growing. Prune new growth to maintain the shape of your bonsai. What's your favorite task to do in spring? Repotting, pruning, or something else? Let me know in the comments. Section 3. Summer care tips. In summer, your juniper will be at its most active, but the heat can be stressful. Here's how to care for it. Water more frequently as the soil dries out faster in the heat. Provide some shade during the hottest parts of the day to prevent foliage burn. Keep an eye out for pests like spider mites and treat them promptly. Have you ever dealt with pests on your juniper bonsai? If so, what's your go-to solution? Share your tips below. Section 4. Fall care tips. As the weather cools, your juniper will start to slow down in preparation for dormancy. Here's what to focus on. Gradually reduce watering as growth slows, but don't let the soil dry out. Stop fertilizing to help your bonsai transition into dormancy. Check for any structural issues and prune dead branches. What's the biggest challenge you face with your bonsai in the fall? Let's chat about it in the comments. Section 5. Winter care tips. Winter is a crucial time for your juniper. Here's how to help it survive and thrive. Protect your bonsai from frost by placing it in a cold frame or sheltered area. Keep temperatures between 30 degrees Fahrenheit and 40 degrees Fahrenheit to maintain dormancy. Water sparingly, but don't let the roots dry out. Do you use any special techniques to winterize your bonsai? Drop your ideas in the comments. I'd love to hear them. Juniper bonsai care doesn't have to be complicated. By following these seasonal tips, you'll be well on your way to a healthy and thriving tree. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next bonsai tutorial. Now it's your turn. What's your favorite season to work on your juniper bonsai? And why? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Happy growing!